Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to Pinto Vinay Cuisine, and in today's video I'm going to show how to make Goan Filoz. It's a it's a delight during tea time. Goes very well with your tea or coffee during evening snacks. I'm going to show it in a very simple way. Let's do it quickly. So for that, what I need is I have taken overripe bananas. It gives you better flavor. So two overripe bananas, and then I have palm jaggery, 150 grams, 1 cup of wheat flour, 100 grams of grated coconut, and salt is to taste. Water is to make the mixture, and we also need either ghee or butter to brush the pan while we fry those ones. So let's start to make batter first. Now first step, you need to peel the banana, put it in a bowl and mash them. Once you mash the banana, add flour to that, wheat flour, and water is 250 ml. We'll see first how much we require to make a nice batter. I will add all 250. Now I will add coconut, and also jaggery. Now jaggery, as you'll have noticed, I have already grated and kept. It becomes more easy. And also pinch of salt just to give a taste. Mix it well. As the batter is almost ready now, check it out, check the consistency. Now we will start to fry them up. What we need is, we need a flat tawa in order to cook them. First brush it with ghee or butter. I have added ghee. And now put it with the ladle. Now on a medium flame, we need to cook this till it gets nice color, and then we'll flip it out. Now I will turn them over. Same thing with the next batch now. I will flip them over one side they are done. So ready now to be served. I check this out. These are the final outcome. This is how it should be. These are called Goan Filoz. Now my tea is also hot and Goan Filoz are also hot. So I'm going to relish it with a cup of tea now. So try out this recipe. It's a simple one and you can make this at home. So you don't need much effort to do this and everyone will enjoy this during tea time. So do like and share my recipes. Also subscribe my channel. Tell your friends and family to subscribe also. And God bless you all. Thanks for watching my video.